What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we're going to be running the FTX banzai. I have fitted the 2-speed in there, but I've got the grub screw in still too tight so it didn't change. I'm filming this after the fact. So what I'll do now, I'll go in and I'll back it off a little bit more because it's not changing. Everything I've done to this car, it's got a 6-volt hump pack, it's got an alloy exhaust. The only things I've done to it. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to start it. Well, no, I've done all the running. I'm just going to edit the video and I'll upload it to YouTube. Stay tuned for that. Man, the 2-speed's still not shifting guys. I thought I had it set perfectly this time. Guess I need to back that grub screw out a bit in the 2-speed guys to get it to shift. Still extremely quick car with the gearing I got on it. Because the 2-speed I got on it, the pinion's way bigger than the normal stock pinion. Well, that's it guys, we're out of fuel totally. As you can see, the tank's completely empty. Be a great appreciation if you'd like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.